Hi and welcome into today's new video. Today I'm sharing my naan recipe. This naan bread using minimal ingredient, low in carb, gluten-free and really easy to make. Look how fluffy, easy to break this bread is. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Mistora. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner. And on my YouTube channel, I share recipe to help you guys build muscles and lose body fat. I show you how you can keep enjoying the food that you love even though you have any health and wellness goal. So this naan recipe is a proof of it. Don't think because you need to lose body fat, you need to lose weight, you have to give up on breads. Absolutely not. You just have to choose the right ingredients and make your bread at home. So everything that I did use on my low carb naan recipe will be on the description box below. You also get my coaching programs, my books and ebooks, and my free guide where I teach you guys how to build a healthy plate. So don't forget to go and check the description box below. And if you do love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start with my low carb naan recipe. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of Psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder or baking soda, some salt, so you just put as much as you want, it's just to test. And as a topping you will need some sesame seed, but that's totally optional, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of whole milk plain yogurt. It has to be full fat, and then some butter. So in a bowl I'm adding all my dry ingredients. So I'm adding my coconut flour, my Psyllium husk, my baking soda, baking powder, some salt, and I'm just gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Then I'm gonna add in my wet ingredients. So I'm adding my plain yogurt. It has to be full fat yogurt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, but you can use coconut oil or any kind of oil you want. And I'm adding my cup of warm water, and I'm gonna mix everything together. Take my time to mix everything together. Don't worry for the consistency, because more you mix it, more the coconut flour is gonna absorb the water. So it's just a matter of time for the consistency to look like a dough. Then once everything is well mixed together, I'm just gonna cover and let it set for at least 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is how my dough looks like. Is firm, is ready to be worked. So I'm in a parchment paper. I'm gonna add my dough, and I'm just gonna make a bowl with the dough. Then I'm gonna cut my dough into 4 pieces, but you can do 4 or 6 pieces depending of how much you want, but I'm gonna do 4 large naan. My 4 pieces of dough, I'm just gonna make 4 bowls, just as you see in the video. And I'm gonna make my bowls into a bowl, but I'm gonna keep 1 bowl with me. Then I'm gonna put in a parchment paper, and I'm gonna cover with another parchment paper. And I'm gonna take my patisserie roll, just roll it up, and when it's rolled, this is how it looks like, a kind of oval shape. But the oval shape that I just flattened with my roll has to be a little bit thick. It It doesn't have to be too flat. We need a little bit of thickness on it. Do the same process with all my balls. In a hot pan, I'm adding a little bit of butter. Then I brush to spread the melted butter, and I'm adding my naan on top. I will cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over to cook the other side, and I'm gonna cover the second side and cook it for 1 and 2 more minutes. And here is the first naan cooked. I'm gonna put it into a plate, and I'm gonna redo the same process with all the naans. Here is a naan. I redo the same thing. Add some butter, add my naan, flip it over, cover. So it's the same process with all of them. This recipe is just amazing. It's even much better than the regular recipe. Look how the naan is bubbling, just like the original naan recipe. So now that my naan is cooked, they're all in the plate. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. I'm gonna brush it. That's totally optional, but that's what I'm gonna do before I will be able to enjoy it. I'm just gonna brush it with some melted butter, and I'm gonna sprinkle some sesame seed on top, and that's it. They're ready to enjoy, and the recipe is just so easy. So this is the end of this simple naan recipe. I do make this naan really often. I love it. I use it to make my breakfast. For example, I can have some eggs on top, some cheese on top. I use this naan to eat some Indian stew. So when I make my chicken palate, when I make butternut chicken, I will enjoy this bread as well. I also use it as a flatbread. I add some toppings, just like as like a pizza, for example. So this bread is amazing for it. This recipe is just incredible. Honestly, it bubbles just like the real deal. So if you do like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the ingredients will be on the description box below. You also get my free guides, my coaching programs, my books and ebooks. So go check everything. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys again for next video. Bye.